Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create group in Splitwise application. Keep watching the video till the end. To create a group in Splitwise, firstly open your Splitwise application. The home page of Splitwise will appear on the screen. On the home page, click on Start a New Group. Enter your group name and its type and tap on Done. You can also turn on the Settle Up reminders that will help remind group members to settle up. You can also add expenses, other group members and share group link to others too. This is how you can create group in Splitwise application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.